Hello friends, in this video let us see about network publish share variable. Using network publish share variable, LabVIEW can communicate information between system connected to the network. So on this project window, under share variable library, I am doing a right click on this numeric share variable which we have already created, and I am clicking on properties. So share variable properties window will get open. In this window, I am changing the variable type from single process to network published. I am doing the same for other two variables also. So we can see the changes in the icons of the share variable. And now I have opened two VIs. The first one is target VI and the other is host VI. And now we are going to theoretically simulate the transfer of data between two VIs within a system. But practically using this network publish share variable, we can even transfer the data between two different systems. So I have named the first VI as target to show that this is the target VI. Then from structures, under time structure, I am choosing a time loop and placing it on the block diagram screen of the first VI. This is a deterministic loop. Then to the stop button of this time loop, I am connecting a control. So this stop button will also get placed on the front panel. Then from share variable library, I am choosing the boolean share variable and placing it inside this time loop. And I am changing its access mode as write. And then I am connecting this boolean share variable to the boolean control connected to the stop button of this time loop. Then to generate random values from numeric, I am selecting a random number generator which generates values from 0 to 1 and placing it inside this time loop. And then to view the number generated by this random number generator, I am connecting an indicator to it. This indicator has got named as number 0 to 1, and this indicator has also got placed on the front panel. So the number generator will be displayed in this indicator. And then to transfer the number generator, I am choosing a numeric share variable from project library and placing it inside this time loop. Then I am changing its access mode also as write mode. And I am connecting this numeric share variable to the random number generator. And next on the block diagram screen of the host VI, I am doing a right click and choosing a while loop and placing it on the block diagram screen. And then to share boolean data, I am choosing a boolean share variable from share variable library and placing it inside this while loop. And I am connecting it to the stop button of this while loop. And to receive numeric data from the target VI, I am choosing a numeric share variable from the same project library and placing it inside the while loop. And I am connecting an indicator to view the numeric value share from the first VI, that is the target VI. Now we can run this VI. So this network publish share variable will check the network connectivity before the execution of the VI, and all the network publish share variable will deploy on the share variable engine to transfer data. This share variable engine is a software framework. This will help to share the data to network publish share variable via network. So now I am running both the VIs by clicking the run buttons, and now we can see the data transfer from target VI to host VI. So data acquisition takes place on the target VI and it gets displayed on the host VI. And then to avoid data losses, we have to enable RT-FIFO property of the share variable. So we have to do a right click on the boolean share variable and click on property. So share variable properties dialog box will open. Here we have to click on RT-FIFO property and enable it by clicking on enable RT-FIFO checkbox. Similarly, I am enabling the RT-FIFO property of this numeric share variable also. But for this string share variable, we cannot enable RT-FIFO property. And then I am saving this project. And next, we shall run both the VIs. So when the VI starts running, the deploy window will get popped up. Since now we are using only lesser number of shared variables, the deploy window which get popped up will get closed immediately within a short time. And now the data are getting transferred without any loss. We can stop both the VI execution by pressing Ctrl and dot button on the keyboard separately, or if we press stop button on the target VI, both the target and host VI stops executing. So first I am naming the second VI as host, then I am running both the VIs, and now I am pressing the stop button which is present on the front panel of the first VI. And so both the VIs stops its execution. From this we can note the transfer of boolean data between VIs. So in this video we have seen about network publish share variable. In our next video we can continue with next topic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.